Hello, IT Ninjas. We're going to take a look at a setting in Excel disabling automatic hyperlink. I'm not a huge fan, for the most part, of email addresses and websites and cell data to have the hyperlink automatically applied. If you were to accidentally click on a website or an email address, it will open up the app. So I prefer to have those disabled. And to do that, we will go to File, Options, Proofing, Autocorrect Options, the Auto Format as you type tab, and disable the Internet and network paths with hyperlinks. Okay? Okay. And now if we were to enter in any email addresses or domains, hyperlink is not applied automatically. Thank you for joining, and hit the like and subscribe button to help the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.